Every time I lay my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that I've been hurt before.
Hey guys, I'm back again with another video, and there you see I have the Kia K5, and I'm going to show you guys how to use the remote start. Basically, you just lock it twice and just hold down this button that say hold. Just hold it down just like so, and there we go. Start it up. I know it took me kind of a while because my nail, you guys probably could see, I had to try to hold it down and release it. Basically, let me go inside the vehicle, because it's keyless entry. So go inside the vehicle. The AC was going to be automatically running, whatever, and you basically could just drive off. You go in reverse. Yeah, it's really nice. So you could just reverse the vehicle and just drive away. So it's easy as that. So as I said, just make sure you hit the lock button twice. You hit the lock button twice, and then just hold down the this button that look like a headphone, look like an arrow going around in a circle. And yeah, that's it. And it'll start up. This is a rental, as I said. It'll start up, and you could get going on with your business, doing whatever you planning on doing. That's all I want to share with you guys. Let me turn it off. Turn off the AC. It's good to turn off the AC before you turn off your car. You don't want to mess up your I know a lot of people don't know that, and a lot of people don't really care, but make sure you turn off every time when you get out the car. Make sure you turn off your AC before you turn off your car, because you could basically mess up your AC compressor by just turning off the car just like that. I know some people don't care. They've been doing it for years, but that's why a lot of things don't last long, because you're basically not supposed to do that. A lot of mechanics and stuff don't care. They want y'all to go and spend your own money. But yeah, I usually turn off the AC and then turn off the car before. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe. I am out. Peace.